afternoon. We are inside. This is it's gonna be the first of many. Oil Money Gang. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be looking at oil, and I'm gonna start off with the Brent. Brent, this is like the benchmark for the UK oil, and then WTI or West Texas Intermediate. That's the US one. I look at them low key like US 30 and US 100 and you know it's the same thing, but like I'm just gonna use the structure to influence the entry on the one, some intermarket relationships, nothing crazy. So for this one, it's really just structure though. I can see this. Yeah, we're looking at crude Brent oil. Um, Price from Thursday, like Friday, last week. We just been consolidating. Triple top, we purged into that, took the buy stops, broke down, displacement, opened a fair value gap over there. We're on the 1 hour time frame, by the way. So we opened up a fair value gap over there, right? We did that. We broke that low, and then we broke that low as well, and then we came up again. And then now I'm looking for shorts. Actually, why I open that thingy now? Let me just move this though. Yeah. Now I put a fib on that, right? Put the fib, and then it's looking like this. That's in like an OTE area, so I'm extra like, you know. I'm just gonna do like this. I'm gonna put like a young. Can I edit it? Yeah, I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna place a sell of 10. I'll put the stop loss over there. I mean, I know really shouldn't be selling oil since, it's kind of bullish. We're looking, OPEC and them are looking at oil cuts and etc. So, but the setup is the setup. I can't help but, when the technical system gives a signal, I just take the trade. I don't think too much about it. So I'm gonna go to the daily to get the dealing range. I'm gonna look at like from this low going up there. So I'm gonna mark it out with a fib like so, right? And as you can see, right over there, it's perfect. I'll be looking just at the 50% mark right there. That's where I'm looking to take profit. So right over there. So I'll be taking profit on that one. Oil Money Gang, you know. Take it back down to like 91. That's what I'm looking at for this one. And then similarly on the WTI, you see the structure is not necessarily okay. Real quick, let me just do this. See, similar. Let me just be more accurate with my levels. It's a lesson I learned the hard way multiple times when like orders of mine didn't get triggered in, my stop loss, or rather my take profit could have been hit if I was just more accurate, and then price ends up reversing and taking me out. But anyway, for this one, same situation there. Be looking to take profits at that 50% level. I'll scroll down to the 1 hour to find that fair value gap that formed. As you can see, price shot up. We had some liquidity there. We hit it, broke down, opened that. That's where I'm looking to take my entry from. So I'm gonna add a a limit order. I'm gonna sell 10 also here. 10 modify order. Shoot. Gonna move my stop loss. It's gonna be what, 1K, and then a 50% of course. Doo-doo. Alrighty, and that will be that on oil. I can see this like low-key double bottom though, so I definitely see price shooting at least towards that. Let me just make that a bit bold. Yeah, man. Hey, like I price was somewhere. I saw this yesterday, like around about just before 4 ish. So I thought it would trigger me in. So I woke up this morning and it was so down. So I was so bleak. I was like, wow, it really left without me. This sucks. But then it came back to give the boy an opportunity. I saw something at market open today. I wanted to fund a small micro account to trade it, but like, yeah, the margin that this particular contract or CFD and my broker, yeah, I didn't have enough capital, so it went without me. But I'm quite satisfied to see that I was able to get the analysis right and that it went in my direction, which is kind of cool. So this was my idea, what I wanted to do at the time. I remember I was scrambling around trying to get like the login credentials to fund the account, and I was just like, you know what, it is what it is. I was able to chow on Nasdaq though. I'm sure you saw the upload. If you didn't see it, be sure to check it out. It's titled Day One, pre FOMC scalp. So this is where we are with it. This was the idea initially for the buy order at market open today. We went a bit down, purged that liquidity over there, and then we shot up with displacement, broke structure or had a market structure shift here while opening a fair value gap. Price traded back down into that. Is it in an OTE? Not really an OTE, but you can see we went below premium. We tapped into that OTE zone as well, and then price shot up so nicely, so beautiful. So that is a 1 hour or an H1 fair value gap over there, as you can see. That's where the trade terminus would be, and also where we now are trying to target our entry. Just want to tap into there and then come back down. It's definitely, or I see it going a bit further, maybe like there, but I won't be greedy. I'll just like at the 50% level net. That's where I'll take my profit, and then yeah. Let me measure it out just so that we can get the nice visual like so. Usually I look for like 1:3 trades, but I guess I won't be too picky since I'm taking a counter scalp or like I'm trading against the trend or whatever. It's basically a 1:2.5, not bad. Just a quick in and out. I see at least pushing down below there. Grab that liquidity. Might even like tap into that. Let me see on the H4 if there's nothing of interest down there. Nothing really, to be honest. Well, there kind of is. There is this very interesting area which I feel price must come back to address. Hello, hello, hello. What is this here? We have a daily fair value gap here. Let's just make sure with levels. Levels. Let's make sure the levels. Okay, what's the low of this? The low is 87684. I'm gonna lock that in right now. And then the other one here, the high, that is 8758. Shoot, I'm gonna lock that in as well. So we have a fair value gap on the daily chart. This is it's in our OTE zone. Yes, sir. I would be willing to at least put a bet on it that we could reach down into that. We could reach down into that. That would be a nice trade. Yeah, let's invest in this. You know? Let's invest in it. Daily chart is kind of hinting that that is what we could potentially do. There's still like gaps there, but I don't see us reaching out into that. Here it's more likely though. You see the order block there, fair value gap. We tap into that and then we push up. That's what I personally am anticipating. And then I'll get back in touch with y'all soon, and then we'll see. FOMC in a little bit. We'll see what happens. But yeah, those are the current orders we have for Brent crude and WTI. This is the birth of oil money gang, you know, and yeah, man, let's get it.